Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today I will solve class 9 maths problem exercise 4.3. In last class, maybe like 2 or 3 days ago, we have completed solving exercise 4.2, and today we are about to solve this question number 1 of exercise 4.3. As we can see the questions here, it is to draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. Means whatever equations that it is given to us, by using that we have to find it at points in order to draw lines. Alright, so this will be the things which the question has asked us in this. In order to do this, the first thing that we need is we need 2 points. In order to draw a line, we need 2 points. If you have at least 2 points, then you can draw a line. Means here we'll use 2 points in order to draw a line in this. Alright, by using whatever the equations that it is given. Now let me start it from this. Here we have x plus y equal to 4. Let us change a little bit so that it will be easy for you. X plus y equal to 4, and after that just keep y as it is and shift this x on the other side, then it will become 4 minus x. Alright, now what is the thing that you need to do in this in order to get the values of each of this y? First, let us write it x, here let us write it y, and let us make some kind of a tables. And here, first of all, let us assume the values of x to be 0. Means x is 0. Whenever the values of x is 0, means here the values of x will be 0. Let me compute here. What is that? It is 4 minus x. And what is the first values of x that we use? It is 0. If it is 0, that means 4 minus 0. If you subtract 0 from 4, then the same number, it will remain with us. Alright? Here we have 4, and let us move to the next, which will be the second. Now we have y minus 4 minus x. Here let us assume x values as 4, so that our calculations will be simpler. Alright, now what is the values of x that we assume in this? It is 4 minus 4, and if you subtract 4 from 4, then the remainder that it will got, it will be 0. Alright, it is the easiest way for getting a points in order to plot in the plans to form a line. Just put the values of x is equal to 0, and corresponding values of y will get it. And likewise, even in the second point, you will have to do the same thing. Right? Now, after using this, we got y is equal to 0. Then we can write it x when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. What are the 2 points that we got in this? 0, 4 and 4, 0. Let me write here. What is that? It is 0, 4, and after that we have, what is that? It is 4, 0. Let us name this as A and this as B. Alright? Now, in the plan of whatever the points that we got in this, let us try to find this. The first thing that we have is 0. 0 doesn't make any sense in this. And let us move to the next, which is 4. If it is 4, then in which direction we have to move? Since it is positive, then let us move in upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the 4 point, and let us write it. What is that? What is the given point? It is 0, 4, and after that we have 4, 0. In order to get this, first of all, x values we have is 4. Then let us move forward up to this. And after this, we have y. What is the values of y? It is 0. Since it is 0, then that doesn't make any sense in this. Just keep 4 as it is. And this will represent point B, alright, which is 4, 0. Now after this, you can join the two lines. You can join the two lines, which will be A and B, right? Now let me join the two lines. The first line, the first point that we have is it is A, and what is that? It is B. Let me join these two, and these 2 points is represented by these equations. Let us write it. What is the equations in this? It is x plus y equal to 4. Alright. Then after that, let us move to the next Roman number, which is x minus y equal to 2. Here we have solution. Let us write it. Solution and x minus y equal to 2. And actually here we have to find the values of y by using the values of x. Alright. In order to do that, what thing you need to change in this? It is x minus 2. Alright. Then after that, same as the one that we solve in this, let us make a table, and whatever the values that you assume as well as the values that you got, you write it here. First, let us assume x values as 0, and corresponding to this, let us put the values of x in this, and after that we will get the values of y. Alright. What is the values of x that we have in this? It is 0. Whenever you put the values of x is equal to 0, means 0 minus 2, right? 0 minus 2 will give you minus 2 again. That's the values of y. When x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 0, it is minus 2. Then, let us move to the next point. Here, let us put the values of x is equal to minus 2. Whenever x is equal to minus 2, then the values of y, x values is minus 2, and what is this? Here we have minus, right? Now what is this? Minus 2, minus 2. So minus 2, minus 2, you can add it. After adding this, you will get 4, right? But the thing is that in order to form a line, let us use some numbers in order to get 0 in the values of y, so that we can form a line easily. Alright. In order to do this, let us assume the values of x is equal to 2. And whenever the values of x is equal to 2, then corresponding values of y should be 2 minus 2. Alright. 2 minus 2 will give you 0. Here it will be like this. And the values of x that we got in the first case, it is 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. Since it is minus 2, then we need to move in downside. It is 0, let us name it as A. 0, minus 2. And after that, we have the next point, which is 2, 0. Now in order to get this 2, 0, let us move in upside. What is this? X is 2. 1, 2. And what about the next one, which is y? It is 0. If it is 0, then just take it whatever number it is. That's it. B, it is 2, 0, right? Now let me join the 2. After you join the two lines, the 2 points, then you will form lines. This line is represented by these equations. Let us write it. What is that? It is x minus y equal to 2, right? So this is all about the problem which we'll solve today. Guys, if you can understand it, then that's good. But those who can understand it, you can ask me so as to clear your doubt. Anyway, let's end up to this. I hope we'll see in the next videos. Wish you all the best. Thank you.